सरदगी में जो पूरा
my friend Ambassador Yang, Deputy Prime Minister, Honorable Ministers, members of Chinese delegation, government officials, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon. It's really a great pleasure to welcome you to Pakistan, and we are all very happy that you could find time from your very busy schedule to visit your friendly country, Pakistan, as China and Pakistan are eternal friends. Our friendship knows no bounds. This visit, as all of us know very well, is the result of my discussion with Chinese leadership when I visited China in early June this year with the President Xi Jinping and Premier Li, and then subsequently a delegation from China visited Pakistan led by Honorable Minister for International Affairs of Communist Party, and then your visit today is very reassuring. We are very hopeful that this visit would be very useful and very productive for Pakistan and promote our bilateral arrangements in terms of investments in industry, in agriculture, special economic zones, promoting our capacity to produce more in agriculture, items which are in great demand in China, we can then export to China, meeting Chinese requirements in terms of quality and in every sense of your demand, as well as to explore more avenues in mines and minerals, in information technology, export zones, industrial zones, shifting that industry from China to Pakistan because of various reasons, including China's direction towards higher level of more sophisticated industrial ventures. Those areas of industrial cooperation is the need of the hour, and if that can be shifted to Pakistan, that capacity in terms of joint ventures and joint cooperations, that would lead to a win-win situation. But Excellency, before we move forward, I'd like to once again express deep sorrow on my behalf, behalf of my government and the people of Pakistan over the loss of Chinese citizens in Bisham a few months back. And we have taken very strong measures to provide foolproof security to our Chinese brothers and sisters all over Pakistan. And in that, our Interior Minister and Mr. Hassan Iqbal, our Planning Minister, have really made efforts to ensure that this security is never again breached. And I can assure you, Excellency, that the perpetrators of Bisham's dastardly act will be taken to task. They've all been arrested, and according to the law of the land, they will be given exemplary punishment. In this behalf, Excellency, I have taken numerous meetings with our law enforcing agencies, with Minister of Interior, Secretary Interior, Chairman Nectar. Today, I know that Minister of Interior has already had a meeting with you and given you a detailed presentation on what measures we have taken and what more is required to be done in this behalf, so that, as I said earlier, that never again anybody would dare to look at our Chinese brothers and sisters or to harm them. Excellency, during the last meeting of my cabinet, we have decided that visas required by Chinese citizens will be free from 14th of August this month. There will be no charge required. So this is again a small measure of our commitment and our friendship between the two countries, and truly this friendship is higher than Himalayas and deeper than the deepest ocean. Now, ever since we have launched satellite in the orbit, I think this friendship is now touching the skies. When I requested President Xi and Premier Li for this request of having experts from China which can impart knowledge and their experience to Pakistani counterparts, I said, President Xi, we would like to become a small progressive China. And he smiled. I said, this is what my vision is, that we should transform Pakistan's economy and make it a small replica of Chinese model. And today, with these experts sitting here and under your leadership, I'm sure we are now going to be on that path very soon. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
शहबाज शरीफ इस्लामाबाद में आला सतह के चीनी वफ्द से मुलाकात में गुफ्तगू कर रहे थे। इस मौके पर उन्होंने कहा कि चीन के दौरा जून में लीडरशिप से मुलाकात हुई है। आपका दौरा उन्हीं मुलाकातों का नतीजा है। पाकिस्तान में चीनी ज़रूरियात की अशिया बना रहे हैं। ये अशिया चीन को बरामद की जाएंगी। सनती शोबे में पाक चीन ताल्लुकात वक्त का तकाजा है। बिशाम में चीनी शहरियों की अमवात पर हम अफसरदा हैं। चीनी शहरियों की सिक्योरिटी को यकीन बनाया जा रहा है।
बिशाम वाक़े के जिम्मेदारों को गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया है। साने में मुलविस अफराद को करार वाकई सज़ा देंगे। चीनी शहरियों को 14 अगस्त से फ्री वीज़ा की सहूलत भी होगी।